possessed.
YouTube, what it do, man? It's Alpha Car Guy. I'm back with another video. My name is Jay, man, and I'm about to bring y'all along with me in my Krypton Green 1,000 horsepower manual ZL1, man. That just sounds so nice just saying that, y'all. But as y'all can see, man, I don't even gotta do too much talking for this one, man. I just want to give y'all a little walk around outside of the car, man. If this is your first time on the channel, I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, man, but we about to get back to it. Yes, man, y'all hear that thing thumping, man. Y'all hear that thing thumping, man. Something serious. But today's video, as y'all can see by the title, man, we're gonna be talking about why you should be choosing this car over a Hellcat. I shouldn't even have to do too much talking, man. The car does the talking for itself. But in case you need me to, I'm gonna go ahead and do that here coming up. Like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I'm gonna give y'all some reasons why this car is better than a Hellcat, man. The Hellcats, in my opinion, they are a bit hyped up, and you can scoop one of these up, the ZL1 instead, and do just as much, if not more, with it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna jump in the car, I'm gonna plug up the camera, and then we're gonna get into today's video, y'all. If it's your first time on the channel, or stopping by, this is my Krypton Green Camaro ZL1. It makes a little bit of power. And today we are talking about why you should be choosing this car over a Hellcat. Opinion, it's tons of reasons why you should be choosing this car over the Hellcat, y'all. I do believe the Hellcats, they are a little bit of hyped up, just a little bit, and we're gonna explain why here in a sec. But truthfully, y'all, man, look, the first real reason why you should choose a Camaro ZL1 over a Hellcat, plain and simple, man, ZL1 has the best manual. Out of the big three, out of the Mustang, the Mopars, Challenger or Charger, and the ZL1, we have the best manual. We have the best one, we have the fastest, it's also the strongest, all of the above, man. So me personally, I want to actually drive my cars, believe it or not. So I do have a 6-speed manual ZL1, and I'm on the back road where this car, you know, is going to thrive. But in the meantime, I wanted a 6-speed manual, man. You can't really get that in the Challenger. Well, you can get it in the Mopars, just in the Challenger. You can't get it in the Charger. But even then, the manual, it's kind of weak sauce and it's slow. You don't even see manual Challenger Hellcats. So that should tell you enough. You know what I'm saying? So we have the best manual, plain and simple. There's no competition. They can't compete. And so I'm in a, you got to think, I'm in a 6-speed manual ZL1, and I'm gonna be waxing 8-speed auto Hellcats all day long. So that's number one, y'all. We have the best manual. Now, the second reason why you should buy a Camaro ZL1 over a Hellcat is because this car is faster. If you're talking 10-speed ZL1 versus a stock 8-speed Hellcat, Challenger, or Charger, if you race them, the ZL1 is faster, y'all. It's lighter. The 10-speed is a better transmission. It's got better gearing. Now, if you race the manuals versus the manuals, even then, manual ZL1 is gonna wax a manual Challenger Hellcat every day of the week, y'all. And that I can guarantee you. So it ain't no question. Not only is the ZL1 faster in a straight line, but it's faster around the track too. And the Camaro ZL1, it went around the Nürburgring, which is the official track that manufacturers test their cars around to get a good gauge of how fast it is around the track. It went 1 minute and 30 seconds faster than a Hellcat, y'all. 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's not even close. Okay, that's not even in the same realm of car. It's actually pretty embarrassing. So it's no competition around the track and in a straight line. The ZL1's got it. We're gonna go whichever direction these people are not crazy or is it crazy? You cannot tell me the supercharger does not sound possessed. So look, y'all, the next reason why you should choose a Z01 over a Hellcat, you can't even park a Hellcat without worrying about it getting stolen. You don't have that problem with the Z01, especially if you stay in the city, man. We are in Mexico today, but usually I'm in Atlanta. And, I mean, let's just be real, man. Anywhere you park a Hellcat in Atlanta, you're going to have to worry about it. Plain and simple. You're going to have to be on your P's and Q's. I'm pulling faster than a cat. Come on, y'all. We pulling faster than a cat right now. Why would you want the problems when you can have this? But anywhere you park your Hellcat, even if you're in the city or the country, back roads, wherever you're at, man, you're going to have to worry about your cat getting stolen. And that's a pretty annoying problem to have. No matter where you go, you always got to worry about where you park the car. You know what I'm saying? So that can be pretty stressful, y'all. Being a Hellcat owner has to be stressful, I'm sure. I'm sure. No question. Me personally, man, I don't even know how people do it. I don't know how people do it, y'all. I wouldn't have to have them problems. You know, having to put an extra kill switch and extra alarm systems on your car, things of that sort, man. As far as cars getting stolen, man, for the most part, it's like people don't even be looking at the Z01s for real. So even if it is a bright color and whatnot, man. So on to the next reason. This is the fourth reason, y'all. I'm giving y'all 5 reasons today. 4 reasons why you should choose a Z01 over a Hellcat. Plain and simple. The car looks better. Yes, I said it. The car looks better. It's more aggressive. The lines on it are more elegant. And the Z01 is a nasty looking car. Now the the Hellcats, they do look aggressive. I think the Charger looks more aggressive than the Challenger, of course. But I mean, I'm a coupe person. I like 2-doors, so I'm looking at the Challenger compared to the Z01. Challenger looks like a brick with some wheels and a wide body kit. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? The Z01 looks like it literally looks like a car that was designed for a track. You can see all the cuts in the body lines, and it lines up with the spoiler. You know what I'm saying? You can see everything's all functional. Like, it looks like a real track car, y'all. Made for the street, which is dope. That's personally my style. You know what I'm saying? So, honestly, yeah, y'all, just the styling of the Z01, then with that as well, man, y'all know it. The same designers that do the vets and things of that sort work on these too, man. So, you know, GM, they spend a lot of money on that department. Honestly, in my opinion, I think as far as that wow factor goes, as far as looks, the Camaro is going to get that over a Challenger or Charger all day. Because people are going to look at a Challenger and Charger and be like, oh, that's just a Challenger or Charger. Even if it is a Hellcat, people don't necessarily realize you spent $100,000 on that car. Like, people aren't even really thinking like that. People see the Z01, people are thinking like, yo, what kind of car is that? I've gotten that a few times. Like, people literally don't know what kind of car it is just because the difference between the lower trims is that much more. Making a little U-turn, y'all. It's too much traffic that way. So the Z01, it just looks way more unique, and you don't see them on the road either compared to a Hellcat. You don't see them on the road at all. So not only does it look better, but you can be more unique. There's less of them. It just makes more sense. Like, why would you not? On paper, the Z01 is just a better car. You can't hit twisty, curvy back roads in your Hellcat like this, y'all. You can, but you're not going to be going fast. Tell me I'm not spitting facts right now, y'all. Drop in the comments below. Tell me if I'm spitting facts or not. The next reason why you should buy a ZL1 over a Hellcat, plain and simple, is cheaper. ZL1s are literally cheaper than Hellcats. Because your favorite rapper, because your favorite influencer, content creator, what may have you, has rapped about a Hellcat, put it in the song, own one, put it on their Instagram, that has drove the demand of them cars sky high. That's why people are out here buying red-eye Hellcats for $90, $100, $110,000, man, which is insanity. Insanity for that car. That is a lot of money for a car like that. That is crazy. It's almost McLaren money nowadays. You know what I'm saying? So the ZL1 is cheaper. You can get a decent used ZL1 for literally 50 on the low end, maybe 53 to 70. New, you get one for about 75. They're just cheaper. So you're getting a better car out the box. You can save money, take the money you do save, go do some mods. Now you're really whooping on the Hellcats, you know what I'm saying? And a car that looks better and all of the above that we just talked about, man. So that's what I'm trying to relay. But that's what I'm trying to show y'all, man, today, is the ZL1 is literally a better car, man. If I'm not speaking facts, man, drop in the comments, tell me below I'm bogus, man. But hey, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there, y'all, man. I gave y'all 5 good reasons why you should be buying a ZL1 over a Hellcat in 2024. Y'all, no excuses. If you're comparing the two, man, the ZL1, honestly, it's a better car on paper. It is. It is. The Hellcats, they got the branding and the hype behind it. Tell them the ZL1 will whine like a cat too, though, man. The ZL1 will whine like a cat too. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out, y'all. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. It's your first time, hit the like, comment down below, tell me if you want me to do more videos talking one-on-one like this. Let me know if you want to see some more POV drives, man. Like I said, it's my Krypton green 1,000 horsepower Camaro ZL1 6-speed manual. Till next time, I'm gone.